The legendary lost city of Atlantis has fascinated humanity for over 2,000 years. First mentioned by the Greek philosopher Plato in 360 BCE, Atlantis was described as a powerful island civilization somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean that was swallowed up by the sea in a single day and night. Despite centuries of searching, the actual existence of Atlantis remains one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. Some scholars believe Atlantis was a fictional creation used by Plato to illustrate his philosophical theories. However, other experts contend it was a real place remembered only in myth and folklore after its cataclysmic destruction. Proposed real locations for Atlantis range from the Greek island of Santorini, which was devastated by a volcanic eruption in 1630 BCE, to the submerged Spartel Bank off the coast of Morocco, to the Donana National Park wetlands of Spain. Others suggested it stretched as far as Antarctica, Indonesia, and the Caribbean. Each location offers its own connection to Plato's descriptions of an ancient civilization claimed to be Atlantis. Plato described Atlantis as an expansive naval power established by the sea god Poseidon. The kingdom consisted of concentric rings of land and water, with lush vegetation and abundant resources. At the center sat a hilltop capital city adorned with lavish palaces and temples, housing gold and silver. This advanced civilization was said to have conquered lands as far as Egypt and Italy 9,000 years before Plato's time, until it arrogantly attempted to invade Athens and was defeated. The Athenian victory coincided with a single night of massive earthquakes and floods that sank the island of Atlantis into the sea. Modern scholars debate discrepancies between Plato's accounts, as well as the credibility of such an ancient date. Could Atlantis have existed around 1200 BCE instead, when the Bronze Age Minoan civilization on Crete suddenly collapsed after the eruption of Thera? Evidence from Santorini shows a prosperous city at Akrotiri was buried in ash at this time. Some believe the Minoans lived on through Atlantis. Others propose Atlantis was located near Spartel Island, placing it squarely in the path of tsunamis from the Thera volcanic eruption. Remarkably advanced features of Atlantis, like lush crops year-round, lavish palaces, and a powerful navy, hint at technologies lost. The great philosophers and scientists of the day, including Pythagoras and Aristotle, viewed Atlantis as history rather than legend. Ruins of possible ancient harbors and structures found deep underwater off Spain and Japan lend credence to the idea that Atlantis was once real. Though its exact fate and location remain a mystery, the persistent legend of Atlantis continues to allure those seeking to recover this powerful lost civilization, and its secrets thought to be hidden in time. The search led to discoveries of many other ancient ruins, but Atlantis itself remains one of history's most fascinating unsolved riddles.